Welcome to the 8th International Wildland Fire Conference. We invite you to come to Portugal on May 16th to 19th of 2023. We will be honoured to host you at one of Europe's oldest centres, Porto, at a unique venue, Alfândega Congress Centre, for a conference like no other. To discuss and participate in defining governance principles towards the development of an international framework. We believe that you are a piece of the puzzle. You will matter to help your nation and all nations to be better prepared to build fire-resilient landscape and societies. After all, a global problem can't be solved with one solution, by one country or one person. Wildland fires will require a global commitment, shared resources and efforts. An international framework is key to a better governance and to push forward better and global solutions. 8th International Wildland Fire Conference, Governance Principles Towards an International Framework. Don't miss any of the key themes of the conference. Integrated fire management, fire risk governance. Join the conference.